So that's my next video is how do you secure the pipeline? How do you secure the machine learning? But to me, once that data gets into the model and start training, that's not a GRC issue.
Right. Absolutely. And for those of you guys joining me late, I'm talking with Professor BlackOps, a subject matter expert on AWS, on cloud, on GRC. Very, very special episode where we're talking to somebody who's in the field doing the work, getting his take on AI, his take on cloud, his take on GRC. So this is a great opportunity for you to ask questions, especially if you're trying to get into this field or you're in this field, you want to learn more, great opportunity. So my last question to you, and I'm going to open it up to everybody, to Professor BlackOps. Do you have any plans to do any teaching? Man, I love your material. I want to go deeper with it. I would be a paying customer. So do you have any plan to release a book, a course, a program, mentorship, anything?
Well, not your fault. I'm 90% done with a course. It's supposed to be in GRC Academy. Shout out to Dr. Ozier. I need to finish that. I've been kind of burnt out. So I'm doing actually a NIST 800-53. And I was going to do it a little different. Once a week, I was going to do a hybrid where I do labbing that relates to that course. At the end is the capstone is you're going to do a FISMA assessment, kind of walk through the policies and procedure. The cool thing is we're going to generate a lot of those off of ChatGPT, then have you fill them in from how your business actually works and how would that look like. All right. Then the one part I put out there, I think I bit off a little more than I chew, is filling out an SSP for a small company. I was like, oh my God, I start doing that. I'm like, oh, that's a little bigger. But yeah, I'm working on a small course once again at simply GRC Academy with Dr. Ozier. So I'm trying to get that finished.
Awesome. That's awesome. Looking forward
to low cost too, nothing too crazy out there. Low cost.